Hi y'all, it's Neva from Manic Mama Musings, and welcome back to hashtag 100 Days of Halloween 2023. It is Vlogtober day 10, and it is also a countdown to my podiversary, which is at the end of the month, but it's like the 29th, but I'm going to celebrate on the 31st, so. The movie we watched last night, The Last House on the Left, no one warned me it was so horrible. Like, not so much a bad... Well, okay, it was a bad movie because there's a lot of triggers in it. I'll say the word. It was very rapey. So that will be a 2 thumbs down. I'll never watch it again. But I did make it through there because I said that was the movie for the night. So, yeah, 2 thumbs down, though. It was too much for me. What about you, babe?
I give it no thumbs. I hated the build-up and the way it went because it was just so hard to watch and it didn't make any sense. But then at the end, it finally gets good, but it's too much to sit through. It's not worth it, you know. So.
Okay, so I made this square. I put a peace sign, which is not centered, but that's okay because it's my blanket. Made a peace sign. I used red as the background because of all the blood in the movie. And the peace sign is for the necklace that, if you've watched the movie, that the one girl gives to the one guy. So yeah, so there's that. There's that square. And I was going to show y'all, I made a creepy pumpkin doll like Mama Kayla does. I kind of like this. I'm going to make me some more. I like making creepy dolls. I still haven't made any of my baby dolls this year. And I did make one of my skeletons, but it got sent somewhere. So, yeah. But, what do you think? I'm thinking about crocheting clothes for them, too. Or at least making this look, like, ripped and bloody. Or maybe not bloody. Maybe just ripped up. I don't know. But there's that. Let's find out what movie we're watching. I'm crocheting on that blanket while we're watching a movie, because I can't do the square until I know I watch through the movie to figure out what I'm doing for the applique. So, okay, let's see what movie it is tonight. Killer Klowns from Outer Space.
Ooh.
On Tubi. Never watched it, but Cindy from Pups and Crochet loves it.
I've been waiting for you to see this movie.
I'm a little scared. I chopped my hair off, y'all. I don't like it, but it needed something, so I will let y'all go. Stay spooky, and I will see y'all tomorrow for an update on I'll show you the blanket tomorrow. Oh, and I finished my shawl. I'll have to have LJ do a little video. I don't know if I'll get a clip put in before I put the video together or if I'll put it in tomorrow, but keep watching so in case if the clip of the shawl is in there, okay? I love y'all. Mwah. I finished my shawl, y'all, and I love it. Love it. Look good, babe?
That looks awesome.
I love it, y'all. I love it. Y'all should make one. Bag a day.